chainsaw ice skates. This project is an exciting twist on traditional ice skates. Imagine strapping on skates powered by a motor and controlled with a remote. But here's the kicker. Instead of regular blades, they have chainsaws. Yes, chainsaws. Initially, it wasn't smooth sailing, or should I say skating. The chainsaws would get jammed in the ice, and the skater's weight made it tricky to move around. But with some clever tweaks, we got it right. The end result? A pair of super cool, safe-to-use, motorized chainsaw ice skates that glide effortlessly over the ice. Steam motorcycle. This invention is a treat for steampunk enthusiasts. A motorcycle that runs on steam power, crafted from recycled scrap metal. It's like something out of a retro-futuristic fantasy. The bike works on a fascinating principle. Fuel tanks heat water in a boiler, turning it into steam. This steam then propels the pistons and turns the axle, setting the bike in motion. Impressively, it can zoom up to speeds of 45 km/h, putting it on par with modern electric bikes. This blend of old-world charm and contemporary performance makes a unique and thrilling ride. RC Martian Explorer. A passionate person crafted their own version of a Mars rover using a 3D printer and 18 servo motors. This cool creation comes equipped with a control board, built-in lights, cameras for sending images and recording data, and even a laser pointer mimicking the soil analysis tools of actual Mars rovers. What makes it even more awesome is that it's operated with a wireless PlayStation 2 controller, weighing in at 9.7 kilograms and powered by a lithium-ion battery and a 26-watt solar panel. The whole package comes at an affordable price of around $300. How incredible is that? Aluminium Bike. Picture building your own bike from scratch. This guy brought that idea to life. Using a 4mm sheet of aluminum, he cut and pieced together the frame, resulting in a lightweight 12-kilogram structure, excluding the wheels. The creator even handcrafted the fork, saddle, and handlebars from aluminum. Once painted, this engineering marvel stands out on the road, showcasing a distinctive style and design like a genuine work of art on wheels. Planetary vault door. Experience the satisfying click of gears as you swing open this impressive door. Handcrafted with meticulous copper details, it not only meets strict safety standards, but also captivates even the most discerning perfectionists. Assembled in a matter of hours, this door goes beyond mere functionality. It exudes style and emits a distinctive sound, making every use an engaging experience. It's not just an entrance, it's a statement, a fusion of reliability and surprising design that adds a touch of delight to your space. Air hockey table. Transforming a broken air hockey table into a real masterpiece is within reach for true enthusiasts. Start by disassembling the old table, then cut aluminum beams to create a sturdy frame. Attach 4 small fans strategically to recreate that signature air cushion effect. Utilize a 3D printer to craft a new tabletop, bringing back the smooth surface for optimal puck gliding. Piece it all together and voila, you've resurrected a genuine air hockey table, ready to provide endless entertainment without the need for any background music. With a touch of ingenuity, even a discarded table can be reborn into a source of joy and excitement. Wooden pinball. Dive into the realm of pinball passion with this DIY wizard who elevated craftsmanship to new heights. Every inch of the machine was meticulously carved by hand, making it a true labor of love. Crafted from wood and sporting a genuine coin slot, this compact marble stands at a mere 40 each gem. Thanks to an Arduino microcontroller and vibrant RGB backlighting, the inventor birthed a one-of-a-kind machine that beckons hours of play. A genuine work of art that speaks volumes without the need for any accompanying background music. For pinball enthusiasts, this creation is not just a game, it's a testament to dedication and ingenuity, bringing the thrill of the arcade into a uniquely crafted, home-sized masterpiece. Bond Discycle. Introducing the Bond Discycle, a modern take on the classic ride. Unlike a traditional unicycle, this engineering marvel boasts a more stable design. Picture the rider comfortably seated within 2 large wheels aligned parallel to each other, ensuring enhanced safety and control. Crafted from sheet metal using a clever self-fixturing tap-and-slot design, the inventor envisions that anyone with basic tools, a welding machine, and their blueprints can construct a similar masterpiece. This Discycle comes with thoughtful features like an adjustable seat, extendable handlebar, and even a cup holder. making it both practical and fun. With an estimated cost of $200, $300 to build, the Balm Decycle brings a fresh twist to the old-fashioned, offering a unique and accessible ride for enthusiasts to create and enjoy. Shallow Reef Tank. Behold this captivating fish tank, a true work of art measuring 100x 30 cm. At its core, a vibrant reef basks in the glow of the Philips Coral Care lighting system, meticulously chosen for the well-being and reproduction of the coral. The underwater realm is meticulously managed through the GrowTech Alling Basic and GrowTech Coral ABC systems, creating a thriving ecosystem. In this aquatic wonderland, fish take center stage, living out their own enchanting fairy tale without the need for any musical accompaniment. Beyond mere functionality, this fish tank is a stunning fusion of technology and aesthetics, providing a mesmerizing glimpse into the beauty of the underwater world. Mini Crossbow. Attention Assassin's Creed enthusiasts. Feast your eyes on this ingenious creation. A mini crossbow that's as impressive as it gets. Despite its diminutive size, the arrows it launches pack a punch. Constructed with a mix of wood and metal, the scaled-down components don't compromise on effectiveness. This compact marvel is not only a nod to the assassin's world, but also concealed and easily portable, embodying the essence of stealth and precision. With this mini crossbow in hand, fans can now bring a touch of their favorite game into the real world, showcasing a blend of craftsmanship and fantasy that's bound to turn heads. RC Tupolev 154. Take a nostalgic journey with a remote-controlled model of the Tupolev 154 aircraft, a Soviet Union creation from the 1960s. This impressive 2-liter-long model pays homage to one of the fastest commercial passenger planes of its time. With a wingspan of 1.7 meters and a weight of just 3.9 kilograms, it captures the essence of the original. Crafted from plywood, the model is not only lightweight but also remarkably realistic. Watch in awe as it executes impressive maneuvers, including barrel rolls and loops, showcasing the aerodynamic prowess of the Tupolev 154. This scaled-down marvel allows aviation enthusiasts to experience a piece of history, bringing the nostalgia of a bygone era to life with every flight. All-terrain electric mountain board. Embark on thrilling adventures and conquer challenging mountain trails with this extraordinary mountain board, boasting a whopping 10,000 watts of power, speeds reaching up to 72 km, and an impressive range of up to 50 kilometers on a single charge. Crafted from durable carbon fiber and equipped with shock absorbers, this mountain board ensures a comfortable ride even on rugged terrains. Its 2 cm all-terrain tires effortlessly navigate various obstacles. Controlled by an electric speed controller, this powerhouse runs on 2 6-cell batteries with a capacity of 22,000 milliamps. With its cutting-edge features, this mountain board is a force to be reckoned with, providing adrenaline-pumping experiences for those seeking the thrill of off-road adventures. Nuclear Horse. Embark on extraordinary adventures with the Nuclear Horse Aero Sledge, a DIY vehicle designed to effortlessly glide over snow and float on water. Powered by a robust 24 horsepower, Muster 185 engine, this vehicle ensures stability even in the most challenging conditions. Equipped with air cushions on its sides, it promises an unforgettable experience seamlessly transitioning between snow and water terrains. The Nuclear Horse Aero Sledge is not just a vehicle. It's a testament to ingenuity, offering thrill-seekers a versatile and exhilarating ride that defies conventional boundaries. Get ready to explore the great outdoors with this homemade marvel that combines power, innovation, and the freedom to conquer both snowy landscapes and aquatic realms. Dance Trike. Fulfilling the dream of being the neighborhood's ultimate cool factor, this visionary inventor crafted a head-turning stance trike from an old bicycle and car wheels. In a mere fortnight, armed with a welding machine and an angle grinder, he transformed the ordinary into an extraordinary three-wheel motorcycle. The result is a robust and fully functional trike, stealing the spotlight wherever it goes. Remarkably affordable at just $89 to build, excluding wheels, this creation is a testament to creativity and resourcefulness. A ride on the stance trike isn't just about cruising, it's a statement, leaving everyone in awe and turning the ordinary streets into your personal showcase of ingenuity and style. Bamboo Pistol, calling all DIY enthusiasts. Dive into the world of hands-on projects with instructions on crafting a real airgun using budget-friendly materials. Grab a bamboo stem for the barrel, drill strategically placed holes, and carefully attach a spring. Utilize a sturdy board for the base, cutting and sanding it to perfection, then securely fasten the trigger. While this creation is intended as a toy, exercise caution and avoid aiming it at others. Let the sound of your creativity and craftsmanship be the soundtrack to this engaging project. Unleash your DIY spirit and enjoy the satisfaction of building your very own airgun from scratch.